Do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things.
What is up guys, it is Alana back with another video. Today I'm just going to show you 3 quick and easy softball hairstyles that I like to do on game mornings or game tournament days. I don't really like to take a lot of time on my hair because 1, it's just gonna get messed up anyways, and 2, I'm just not about that life. They don't involve braiding because I don't know how to braid, sadly, but yeah. If you don't know how to braid, that's okay. There's still more cute hairstyles that you can do. So without further ado, let's get to the video. For this first hairstyle, I'm just going to start off by brushing my hair back and then section it into a side part so that I can start with my hairstyle. Next, I'm just going to section my hair off into 2 pieces, more in the front so that I know which sections of hair I'm dealing with. Then I'm going to put my hair up into a ponytail so that I can now just work on the top part of my hair. This may seem a little tricky, but it's basically sectioning off little pieces of hair and twisting it, and then grabbing another piece of hair and twisting it. And then I just do that throughout the rest of my hair. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to grab a little hair tie and tie it back so that I don't lose what I've already done. For the other side of the hair, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now that I'm done, I'm going to put my hair all the way together up into one whole ponytail. If there's any flyaways, I like to grab a bobby pin or 2 and just secure it back into place. Next, I'm going to grab my desired ribbon that I like to wear. Or I can wear a bow. I'm not really a big bow fan, but I'll just grab a piece of ribbon and then tie it in the back of my head and then make a little cute bow, because I feel like this makes my hair look so much cuter, and I don't know, it's just so cute. For this second hairstyle, all I'm going to do is just brush my hair back and put it up into a nice tight ponytail. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to actually section my hair off into 3 parts so that I can start braiding it into a normal French braid. Then I'm going to grab a baby hair tie and secure it at the end. Next, what I like to do is I like to buff out the braid so that it makes it appear more thicker. Lastly, I'm just going to grab that ribbon again and tie it up in my hair so that it makes it look more, classy and cute. For this last hairstyle, all you gotta do is have your hair up in a ponytail and then grab your little baby hair ties and secure them into little bubbles after every inch or 2 in your hair. Whenever I'm done with that, I just like to buff them out a little bit more so that they look a little bit more bubbly. Last but not least, I just put in my ribbon again to make it look extra cute. Alright guys, that's it for the video. This, to be honest, by far has to be my most favorite hairstyle because I think with girls that have really long hair, this looks really pretty. I don't know, it's my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment down below if you guys want any more videos. Please subscribe, like the video, hit the whoa. No, I'm just kidding. Have a great day or a great night. But yeah, salutations. Alright, for real, bye now. I need to stop saying bye like 500 times.
Hey boy, what you say, boy? You tryna play coy like a game boy? Hit my phone, boy. Is your homeboy? Are you alone, boy? Come get me dome, boy. Got a boy with degrees, a boy in the streets, a boy on his knees, he a man in the sheets. Sheesh, it's all Greek to me. Got this boy speaking Spanish. Ay, papi.